Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm filming from a slightly different angle, a little bit different because I've jumped on here quickly to do an unboxing of an item I've just bought. Hi, my name's Claire and I put out videos about luxury bags and accessories, so if that's your thing, please click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell and you'll know when I upload a new video. Okay, in this video, I know I haven't uploaded a video for a while. I have got some plans to do some videos soon, but this is the first one I've filmed for quite a while. I've just been extremely busy with work and family and so on, and I just haven't had chance to do this. YouTube is a hobby for me, so you know, I jump on when I can, and the last few months have been a bit mad. But in those few months, I have bought a few items, and one of them is this item that has literally just arrived from FarFetch. You can see the FarFetch on here. All I've done so far is just ripped off this, and I've loosened sort of the tape at the side so I can open it up and unbox it and show you what I've got. Now this is a Saint Laurent item, as you know, continuing my love of Saint Laurent. Got quite a few of their items now, so let's get into it. Ordered this from FarFetch and managed to get a 10% discount, although I am finding it's harder and harder these days to get a 10% discount or any discount on Saint Laurent and some of the other brands. I have heard that some of the brands are stopping them. You can't seem to get any discounts on Gucci items anymore from any of the places like Matches and Flannels and My Teresa and so on. Luckily I did get a few items last year with discount on Gucci, but can't seem to get anything at the moment, and unfortunately Saint Laurent seems to be going the same way. So let's get into the box. Okay, this is, there we go. Right, so we have our FarFetch box. Now this, if you don't know FarFetch, it's a collection of boutiques that sell their items via the FarFetch website. So it's actually quite a good idea in that you can often find things that you can't find anywhere else, because they do source boutiques from sort of all over Europe and so on. But when you do check out, they tell you where your item's coming from and if you've got any import fees and things like that to pay. This item came from Brown's Concessions, which is in the UK, so I didn't have any extra import fees or anything like that to pay. So here we go. It comes with a booklet or a little leaflet about FarFetch Second Life, where you can sell your used handbags and accessories on FarFetch, and you can buy pre-loved items on FarFetch. Although, a word of warning, some of their pre-loved items very good value, some of them excessively high. I've seen some pre-loved items go for £1,000 more than what you would pay if you bought them on the pre-loved market elsewhere, so you do need to beware there. There's my information about their refund policy. You have 14 days to return items on FarFetch, and in here will be a shipping label to enable me to do that if I need to return. So my item comes in a box. So it's in a dust bag. That's just a plain dust bag. I've had items from Brown's before, and they have just come in a plain dust bag, and then you've had the brand dust bag in. So here we go. So it comes in the Saint Laurent box, and I wonder if it's in a dust bag in the box. Yes, it is. There we go. So there's my item in its Saint Laurent dust bag. So as you see, it's not a massively enormous bag, it's fairly small, but here we go, and it is the Saint Laurent Mini Lou Camera bag in the pebbled grey leather, which is actually called Fog, with the gold hardware. Now I'm very much a silver hardware person. I really only buy bags with gold hardware when they don't come in anything else, and this camera bag does come in lots of other colours and does come with silver hardware, but I just really liked this combination. When I saw it, I just thought it was a beautiful colour, lovely colour hardware. I really am liking this. Yes, I do like that. And I just thought it was a really nice combination, because the bag itself looks silver, and then with the gold hardware, it was just a lovely contrast. And I have got a couple of bags already from Saint Laurent with silver hardware. So although I looked at the very elegant version of this, which is black pebbled leather with silver hardware. I thought, no, that's very similar to what I've already got. I looked at the grey one with silver hardware, and again, it wasn't too much of a contrast. I just felt this one was a bit more exciting. So with this bag, you get a back pocket. I know you can't fit an awful lot in there, but there is a back pocket. So it does have this tassel attached to it, which you can't remove. Right, so inside the bag, it's got the card and information. Oh, we've got some lots of tissue paper, and there's the inside of the bag, black leather, so you probably can't see in there very well, but there's 3 card slots on that side, nothing on the other side, just the Saint Laurent, yeah, the imprint of Saint Laurent, made in Italy, yeah, Saint Laurent Paris on that side. It has got a gold chain strap, you can see, and at the top there is a small leather part of the strap. I'm not 100% sure how long this strap is. I'll have to look it up, and I'll pop it on the screen. I think it will just about do me crossbody. When I looked at the dimensions, I know I usually prefer my crossbody straps a little bit longer, but this one will just about do it. I think it's the sort of the shortest I would want to go, but obviously can wear it over my shoulder as well. There's the FarFetch tag attached. That just says, obviously, please keep this attached. If you unattach it, the bag is yours, but if you're going to return it, you need to leave the tab on. So that's my Mini Lou camera bag. Let's see what fits inside. I'll go and get a few bits and we'll see. Okay, so I've just moved the box and I've got a few of my trusty items that I carry with me. Many of these you've seen before. I'm just going to see what fits in. So one of the first things I often take out with me a lot is my mini pochette. So I'm going to pop that in. It does fit inside, but because the Mini Lou is quite small, there's not a lot of extra room in there. I have got room for my coin card holder, and obviously I've got my other card holder, but to be honest, as you've got a few slots in there for cards, I probably wouldn't bother with a card holder. I could put my cards directly in the slots. So I could really as well dispense with this coin card holder, and I would be able to potentially put my cards in the slot and maybe just put a coin purse in there or something like that. To be honest, I probably wouldn't carry the mini pochette in here because it is quite large. What I would do though maybe is carry my mini O case from Chanel, which is something I don't think I've shown you yet because I did get this for Christmas. I was very lucky to have this as a, well, actually a birthday present, because my birthday is right near Christmas. So I actually got this as a birthday present from my husband, and it's a really nice little case, black caviar leather with silver hardware, and it's just that little bit smaller than the mini pochette, you can see. And so most of what I would carry in here I can pop in here with the exception of a few of the larger items, but when I'm wanting to travel a bit lighter or take a smaller bag, I've been using this. So I'll probably pop that one in there, and that one obviously fits and creates quite a bit more room. So I've got my AirPods, I'll pop them in there. Maybe my card holder, but as I said, I would probably put the cards in the slot. Hand sanitizer, again I'd probably use a smaller hand sanitizer. I've got some smaller ones, a lipstick, some hand cream, and there is room to put a bit more on the top, but I think I've said before in my videos I don't like to overpack my bags, and I don't like to put loads of stuff on the top, because then when you're trying to open it and get stuff out, you're having to unpack it all until you can get to stuff. So I think realistically I'd probably put the cards in the slots that are already there, hand cream in, the hand sanitizer. I've got some tissues as well there, so you know, if you really wanted to pack it out, that's what would fit. So can't get an awful lot in there, but for me it's a bag that you can certainly get the essentials in, and I can certainly get my smaller pouch in there with no problem, so that's quite useful. So that's a very quick look at my mini camera bag. I would obviously want to get my phone in there as well. I don't know if my phone would fit in the back pocket. I don't think I would want to do that because there's not a lot of space there. I think that's probably just really for receipts or very small items. But it feels a very soft leather, really good quality. I need to perhaps have a little play around with it off camera about other things I can fit into it. I think it's going to be one that I keep. I definitely really like the colour and like this colour combination. I need to try it on, have some look at it on me. I don't really have the setup to do mod shots, I'm afraid. I don't have kind of a large enough mirror and kind of the space really to do some mod shots, mainly because we're doing a bit of refurbishment upstairs in our house, and we're doing a couple of rooms up, and I just haven't got the space. It's one of the reasons why I haven't been able to do YouTube recently, because it's another thing that's been taking up my time. So there might be a time in the future where I can post some mod shots up, but I'm sure if you're interested in this bag, you can find mod shots and find it on people on the internet or on YouTube. Quite a lot of people on YouTube have got it. I did do a little bit of research, and some YouTubers have got it in their videos in some of the different colours and raving about it. I have to say, everyone does seem to like this bag. So I will link it down below where I got it. Yeah, so that's my Mini Lou camera bag in Fog Pebbled leather with gold hardware. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll look forward to seeing you on my next video. Bye guys.